Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add trust badges to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you'll be able to access your store option by logging into your account. And after logging into your account, now you'll be greeted by this home page, where the left side screen we have all the options we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding some trust badges to your website. What we're going to do guys is right here, the left side screen, we're going to open up the apps section. Under apps, you can click the add apps option. After clicking add apps, this is now going to open up this new main menu where you can go ahead and open up the Shopify app store. So what you want to do is open up the Shopify app store, and after opening it up, it's going to open up this app store where you can take a look at all the apps that you can use and install for your Shopify store. And what we're going to do guys is right here at the top of the page, use the search bar and search for trust badge. So you can search for trust badges right here, and as you can see, this is now going to give us a result of all the apps we can use for using on our store. So you can go ahead and test them out. You have this one right here, which is called Trusted Site, that you can use for using trust badges for your Shopify store. You have other apps and so on. You can go ahead and open them up and you can try them all because they all have a trial option. So what you can do is click the install button right here. By clicking the install button, this is now going to proceed you with the next installation process, where you just want to go ahead and complete the install process by clicking the install button. As you can see, after clicking the install button, now this application is going to appear under your apps right here. So you want to go ahead and open up the application, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the continuation process where you can get started adding the trust badges. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.